For perfect roast potatoes, peel them, wash them, put them in a pot with water and bring them to boil. Once potatoes have been simmering for about 5 minutes, we'll take them off the stove and drain them down. Now the key for crispy potatoes is to let them dry out, to cool down a little bit, because you want this surface of potato that's sort of softened up a little bit to dry out, because moisture and water within the surface of potato, it's going to prevent them from getting crispy. And once our potatoes are cooled and dried, just need to put some oil on them and salt. Shake them about a little bit and put them in oven tray. And then in the oven about 40 minutes or an hour. And about halfway through, a bit of steam. Should look like that. Let's check on our potatoes. Wow, wow, wow. Here are perfect little potatoes. Listen that. Nice, crunchy. Listen. Crunchy surface, soft inside. Oh, that's perfect.